Given that a equals to 3, b equals to -5, and c equals to 6, evaluate the following expression. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So b over a minus c over b. Now let's put in the actual value. So b is -5 over a, which is 3, minus c, which is 6, over b, which is -5. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the bracket. So for the first expression here, -5 over 3, we can write it as it is, -5 over 3. Now for the second expression, we have 6 over -5, and we also have a minus over here in front of this whole fraction. So minus into minus will give me a plus. So I will replace the minus with a plus, so it becomes 6 over 5. All right, so the addition of two fractions with different denominators basically means we now need to have a common denominator. So I can multiply the denominators by themselves. So 3 times 5 times 5, and this will be times 3 and times 3. Okay, so the next step will be to evaluate these expressions. So I'll have minus 25 over 15 plus 18 over 15. So now that we have a common denominator, we can write that, and you will have, and on top will be minus 25 plus 18. All right, so minus 25 plus 18, as you have seen from my other videos, you think of it in terms of money. So minus means you give away, plus means you get. So if I give away $25 and I get $18, in the end I would have still lost, correct, because I gave away more. How much more? So 25 and 18, the difference is 7. All right, so the final answer is minus 7, because I given away more than what I got back, okay, over 15. So that is the final answer here, minus 7 over 15. All right, thank you.